Welcome to Nellie's Nook. My name is Nellie, and today I will be doing a 3-tier birthday cake. I will be folding this beautiful cake, and it will be 3 different layers. And on the pattern you will see a little lines over here, very thin lines, where I will be cutting my pattern. So on my pattern you will see a very tiny lines over here. That's where I will be cutting my layers. Okay, here is the top of my pattern, and then it will be bottom of my pattern. So to start 3 layers, I need a 3 different depths, and you can use any tools you have. I have a couple of tools, but telling the truth, I like my simple one that I created a while ago, and I posted video on it. I decided I will have first layer 0.8 centimeters, the next layer will be 1.5 centimeters, and the deepest layer will be 2.3 centimeters. So I just need to mark all the layers first, so when you have a pattern, you know where to fold it. First I will do one, and again, when you have your tools, you can do tools. You will have tools with lots of different depths at the same time. You might have something like this that you can mark, but I don't know why. I just like my very thin rulers that I created, and they are very easy to mark with. So probably a little bit extra work with them because I have to do 3 times each page, but I am fine with that. So that will be my first layer. Now I'll take the other one and I'll create the second layer. And now I will create my 3rd layer. For creasing, whatever you are used to, just use it. I like this little tool. It's handy and it creases very nicely. You just don't push too hard because you will cut your page through. That's the only disadvantage. But if you make little holes, nobody will see it. It will be easier to fix. But it's I like this. I like it this way because it's nice and clean crease and nice and clean fold. So I marked my whole book with 3 different layers. Now I will need to cut my pattern. I have an ink saver pattern on my Etsy shop. I will put 2 different sizes for layered cake, and then I will just put 1 size for the full page. If in case that you don't want to do the layers, you will have one that does not have a lines in the pattern, because otherwise when you fold it, it will look like this. Okay, so on my Etsy shop you will find 2 different sizes of layered, and 1 size that will not have a layers on it. Okay, I don't think I have to really show you how I cut my patterns, but they are very, very simple. You have a little line over here, and I just match bottom line and top line of the pattern. I started my fold. I want to show you how it will look with my layers. So here are my layers. I cut all my pieces and I have them separated by the pages over here. And just because I am right-handed, I started from the back of the book, because it's easier if you start from the lower layer going up, because that's how it folds. It's just easier to cut. If you are left-handed, you will probably most likely start from the front of the book, because your layer will start over here. It really doesn't matter, whatever you prefer. You can be right-handed and start from the bottom if you are comfortable with it. It really doesn't matter. I decided to go from the back. It's just easier for me to work that way. All right, I have my strips. I just want to make sure, don't forget, make sure that you are taking the strips, if you line them up, from the back of your lineup. Okay, I have 5 extra pages in the front, so my numbers will be the page 299, and my number is 290 on the page. So I will just cut the bottom of my page and do my first fold. I put my tape over here, align it with the on the bottom, align the bottom of the page, and push it in. And here, I don't know if you can see, my first line is right here, so I will cut it right on my first line and take it out. Now I do my second fold. I will put my pattern right there. And now I will cut it here. Take this one out. And now I will do the third fold. And put it right here. and that's how it will look.